So guys, go to this URL dell.com. After that, click on support and then click driver and download. Enter the model number and 14. So all the driver installations process same 14 series. Okay, select any means you are which are you using. Scroll down. Then select the driver. Then click on categorize. Scroll down network, and this is a Bluetooth driver. I just click to download. So it will start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. Then it is completed. Then just single click to open and then click yes. So you just click on the install, so it will start. Then next to install, and after that restart your system and then please check it.